Hey, how's it going? Have you heard about the PERPAY card? This is a card that gives you the ability to, reach up to $10,000 in credit limit. And the fun part about this card is that they claim that there is no credit needed. As you can see right here, PERPAY, it says shop build credit pay over time with your paycheck. We make everyday purchases more accessible and help you build credit along the way. So you can see right there is the card. And, in case you wonder what a PERPAY card is, it's a prepaid card, okay, which it functions well for a lot of people that might want to build positive credit history, okay. And in case you want to build a good credit, maybe you really don't have a good credit, then and you want something that you can sign up for and be able to build a good credit, and this is a good one for you. Now today I'm going to go ahead, explain what the PERPAY card is about, and also list some points, okay, some major points that you might want to consider. And those points can help you to make the best decision when it comes to using this card. All right, now the first one is the prepaid nature, okay, because unlike traditional credit cards where you borrow money from a lender to make purchases and then pay back later, a prepaid credit card, like PERPAY, it requires you to loan funds onto the card before you can use it, okay. It requires you to load funds inside the card before you can use it, and essentially you're spending your own money that you've already deposited into the card, okay. So that is what this card is about. All right, and there is no credit check, because since you are not borrowing money, then prepaid credit cards typically don't require a credit check. This is a prepaid credit card, so this aspect makes them accessible to individuals who may have poor credit history and no credit at all, okay. Another one is the budgeting tool, because prepaid cards like PERPAY, they can serve as an effective budgeting tool by loading a specific amount onto the card, and you as a user, you can limit your spending to only what you've deposited, okay. So this can help prevent overspending and manage finances more effectively, okay. Also, the fact that it has no interest charges, since you are not borrowing money, then prepaid cards don't accrue interest charges, so this can be beneficial for individuals who want to avoid debt, or who may not qualify for traditional credit cards with favorable interest rate, okay. Also, the limited features, because prepaid cards may have limited features compared to traditional credit cards. So for example, they may not offer reward programs, okay, and cashback benefits or certain insurance protection that are common with traditional credit cards. But one thing I've seen about PERPAY credit card is that you are still able to earn some reward. You can still earn like 2% reward to shop your favorite products and brands on the PERPAY marketplace, okay. So that is the only thing though. All right, but when it comes to reward from several other platforms, like maybe you shopping at other places, then you can't really get any reward. So this is a prepaid card, so it has limited feature. So the only place you can use this at, it's at the PERPAY marketplace, okay. And this is very good for building credit, just like I said, because while prepaid card don't directly impact your credit score, since you're not borrowing money, then prepaid card like PERPAY, they also sometimes offer to help users to build credit indirectly, and this may involve reporting payment history or offering credit building programs. So there is high assurance or high chances that they are going to report your credit history to the credit bureaus like Equifax and Experian and others, okay. So also fees and charges, prepaid cards can come with various fees. Like this card, they come with some fees, including some activation or monthly maintenance fees or transaction fees, ATM withdrawal fees and more. So you need to put that into consideration. I need to carefully review the fee schedule of any prepaid card to understand the cost involved, okay. So this kind of prepaid card, you likely incur a little bit of some fees, okay, but PERPAY is not that bad, okay. So those are the things that you need to know about the card, okay. So I think let's discuss more, okay, about this. And another thing I see about this is the convenience, okay. So with this card, you enjoy convenience payment options, okay, in case you prefer not to carry cash or write check, okay. So PERPAY card is accepted at millions of locations worldwide, which makes it suitable for everyday purchases and travel expenses, okay. Also, they offer good security, because the card offers security features such as PIN protection and fraud monitoring to safeguard against unauthorized transactions. So you as a user, you can feel confident using their card, okay, for both in-person and online purchases, okay. Another important factor is the global acceptance. I think I talked about that earlier, because prepaid card like this, they are widely accepted whenever there's card network like Visa or MasterCard, where they're recognized, and including merchants, online retailers, and ATM around the world. So this makes them a bit convenient, payment option for domestic and international transactions. Okay. Also, we have some financial inclusion, because by offering an alternative to traditional credit card, so prepaid card like PAPay, they promote financial inclusion by providing a payment option to individuals who may not qualify for or have access to traditional banking products. So this helps to broaden financial access and empowerment for underserved community. So in summary, just know that the public prepaid card offers a convenient and accessible way to manage spending without the need for a credit check or borrowing money. Okay, so they can be useful for budgeting, all right, and avoiding debts, and for individuals who may not qualify for traditional credit cards. All right, so it's crucial to understand that the fees and features of the prepaid card can also be a factor. So before you join, you might want to read more about the terms and condition. But however, it's a good card also that you can consider, and you can see some of their reviews there. Okay, and you can get up to $10,000 in credit limits. Okay, so whereby you can load some fund into it, and you can spend, and with this you can be able to build your credit, because here there is no borrowing of money. It's just you loading funds, and the moment you are loading funds and you are doing the right thing, then you're spending your money. So, and these people also report to your credit bureau, so it's report your credit history. So this way you can be building your credit, and also in case you have a bad credit, you can build your credit with these, and with that you're good to go. All right, so I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and I really hope you are able to use this card. I also have several other video tutorials on some credit card. Okay, this one a credit card that you can borrow from, and the one that I know about that works well is the Applied Bank Visa Gold Visa credit card. I think I'm going to be linking to it in the description, or you can check my channel and search for it there. So it's going to be there, and you can you get a lot of credit limits with that also. I think up to like $15,000 in credit limits that you can borrow, depending on how well you're returning all your funds. Okay, like you're returning your borrowed money. So, and you can use this to also build good credit. Good credit, because if you have bad credit, you need to build your credit back. You having a bad credit isn't the end of everything. You can also build it back and have a good credit score of up to 700, 800 and above. So this is a good one for you to take advantage of. Thank you very much for your time. I will see you in another video. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.